Imagine this. You're 25, staring at your bank account, watching your hard-earned cash shrink every day due to inflation. What if I told you there's a place where people just like you grow their money, often turning small investments into life-changing fortunes? Sounds too good to be true, right? Welcome to the stock market, a realm of opportunity and, yes, danger. But here's the kicker. Not understanding it is probably costing you more than you think. Before you think, oh no, another boring finance lecture, let me ask you, ever wondered why Hollywood makes movies about stock market crashes, but never about the wins? Drama sells, sure. But what they don't tell you is that the average Joe can make it big too, with the right strategy. Let's break it down, step by step. In this video, we'll uncover 1. What the stock market really is. Spoiler, it's not a casino. 2. How it works, in plain English. 3. The key takeaways to use it to your advantage. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because point 3 might just change how you see money forever. But first, let's answer the big question. What exactly is the stock market? And no, it's not just rich people yelling on Wall Street. Point 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is essentially a giant marketplace where people buy and sell ownership shares in companies. Think of it as a farmer's market, except instead of apples and oranges, you're trading pieces of Apple or Tesla. Here's the exciting part. When you own even a tiny share of a company, you're no longer just a consumer. You're a part owner. That means you share in its growth and its profits. Let's say you invested $1,000 in Amazon back in 2005. Today, that investment would be worth over $100,000. Crazy, right? But wait, if it's that simple, why isn't everyone rich? That's where understanding how the stock market works comes into play. Point 2. How the stock market works. Picture this. You're standing in a massive stadium filled with millions of buyers and sellers, all shouting prices. That's essentially what happens every day in the stock market. But thankfully, the chaos is managed by stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. These platforms match buyers with sellers, ensuring the market runs smoothly. But here's the catch. The stock market runs on emotions. Fear and greed move prices more than logic ever will. It's why stocks often plummet when there's bad news, even if the company's fundamentals are rock solid. Fun fact, the first recorded stock market crash was in 1637 when people went broke over tulips. Yes, tulips. So, no, irrational market behavior isn't a new thing. Still, the real question isn't just how the stock market works, but how you can make it work for you. And that's where we dive into the strategy. Point 3. Making the stock market work for you. Here's the secret sauce: patience, knowledge, and discipline. Most people lose money in the stock market because they either panic sell during a crash or try to time the market. Spoiler, even the pros can't do that consistently. Take Warren Buffett, the most successful investor of all time. His strategy? Buy great companies, hold them for decades, and let compound interest work its magic. Simple, right? Yet, only 1% of investors actually follow this principle. If you're thinking, I'll start investing when I make more money, consider this. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Waiting even 5 years could cost you tens of thousands in the long run. Here's a humorous analogy. The stock market is like a treadmill. You can hop on and take it slow, or you can sprint and fall flat on your face. The choice is yours, but at least wear the right shoes. But what if I told you there's more than one way to build wealth, even faster than the stock market? If you want to learn 3 proven ways to get rich and fast-track your financial goals, check out my video linked in the description. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, what are you waiting for? The future of your finances starts today. Remember, the stock market isn't about luck. It's about strategy, patience, and action. You've got this.